Hello, kumusta? I'm Lainey D. I'm a cervical cancer survivor and an asthmate. Ayun, gusto ko lang maglabas ng nararamdaman ko or ng naiisip ko regarding dun sa isang comment sa post ko kung bakit ko tinatawag na cancer survivor yung sarili ko when in fact, I'm still not declared in remission for a certain period or number of years. So ayun nga, we define survival in different ways. For others, it could be an end of a treatment or a surgery. For some, it means remission. At para sa iba, it means being cancer-free. Ito, basahin natin yung meaning ng survivor according to Webster's Dictionary. So, survivor means a person who remains alive after an event in which others have died. It could also mean a person who copes well with difficulties in their lives. So in general, being called a survivor is applicable to all persons na may pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Ayan. But for me, I consider myself a survivor kasi I'm still alive and breathing after all the treatments and surgeries na pinagdaanan ko. In fact, survival began on the day that I decided to undergo treatment and fight for my life. Sorry, I have to cut the video. Kinalma ko muna yung sarili ko kasi nagsisikip na talaga yung dibdib ko. Tapos nag-start na rin ako mag-acid. So, ayun nga, my cancer journey is never easy. I face a lot of lab tests, scans, procedures, treatments, and even surgeries na pwede kong ikamatay. Ang dami kong na-experience na emotions and situations na talagang bumasag sa mental health ko, na feeling ko gusto ko nang magpadala sa psychiatrist. May mga araw na pinipilit ko na lang gumising kahit feeling ko gusto ko na lang mamatay. Pero yun nga, pinipilit ko pa rin bumangon at ipagpatuloy yung buhay ko. I choose to hope kahit unti-unti akong kinakain ng takot at pagdududa. I still choose life even if the road is bumpy and uncertain. And most of all, I still cling to my faith in God. Sabi ng ibang cancer fighter sa akin, "Sis, paano ko tatawaging cancer survivor yung sarili ko? Kung nagtitreatment pa rin ako, kung nahihirapan pa rin ako, kung in pain pa rin ako, kung pakiramdam ko mahina pa rin ako." Ito yung sagot ko sa kanila. Kung andito ka pa rin at humihinga ka pa rin, you are a survivor. If you show up para sa sarili mo kahit na in pain ka or gumising ka lang para palakasin ng resistensya at katawan mo, you are still a survivor. Survival is not about the finish line. It's about the courage and the persistence to stay in the race, even if it's hard. We survived the diagnosis, we survived the shock, we survived the fear, we survived the uncontrollable tears, we survived the feelings that our bodies betrayed us, we survived situations that we never imagined to face, we survived every lab test, and even the side effects of the treatment, as well as the anxiety every time na magkakaroon tayo ng mga scans, ng MRI, ng PET scan, or ng mga procedures na kailangan nating pagdaanan. Lahat ng yan, it makes us a survivor. Sa mga kapwa ko warriors, fighters, at kahit na sino may pinagdadaanan sa buhay, it's okay to feel tired and weak. We are still healing. It's okay to feel sad and scared. Those feelings are valid. But never lose hope. Be courageous and always trust God. Love and peace. Bye!